Welcome back to Wild Taste Infusion Elite. We are planning cookies today. The fast and easy all-time favorite, chocolate chip cookies. A little background. Did you know that the first chocolate chip cookie was baked in 1938 by Ruth Graves Wakefield of Massachusetts? All because of an inventory problem. She ran out of baker's chocolate and had to use a bar of semi-sweet chocolate instead. She liked the way the chocolate chips held their shape and melted into the dough. This accidental discovery led to the creation of Toll House cookies. Once it was published in the Boston newspaper, they quickly gained popularity. First, we need to collect all the ingredients for the cookies. I have split the ingredients into two sections. This first list is referred to the wet ingredients. For the full recipe, we will provide a copy for you at the end of this video. First list, wet ingredients. Shortening, white sugar, brown sugar, salt, eggs, vanilla, and water. This second list shows all the dry ingredients. Flour, baking soda, and of course the star chocolate chips. Step 1. Cream the wet ingredients together. Add the white sugar, brown sugar, and shortening and mix until smooth. Then add eggs and vanilla. Continue to mix until fluffy. Step 2. Now we add the dry ingredients slowly. Add the chocolate chips first and give a stir. Then slowly add the flour and baking soda. Place the mixture a spoonful at a time on a sheet pan, lined with parchment paper. Place the cookies in the oven, preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes or until golden brown. Let everything cool before removing from the pan to avoid breaking. Serving suggestions you might want to try. Chocolate chip cookies that take a different approach to being served. Chocolate chip cookie cake, indulgent, with a few easy subtle changes to the recipe. Sheet pan chocolate chip cookie cake. Looks more like a pizza. Depends on your imagination. Or for a double serving of chocolate. For the serious chocolate lovers out there, try chocolate chip cookies. Chocolate chip cookies are certainly a favorite. Whether you have it with a cold glass of milk or when you need a warm up on a cold windy day, have them with a nice cup of hot chocolate. It will leave you feeling warm and cozy. Full recipe for the chocolate chip cookies. Shortening, white sugar, brown sugar, salt, eggs, vanilla, water, flour, baking soda, and of course chocolate chips. We hope you enjoyed this video for chocolate chip cookies. Enjoy and thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe.